Special greetings, my dear students. Already we completed our first chapter. Today we are going to learn our second chapter, input and output. My dear students, you have to listen one thing very clearly. Now you all are studying ninth class, correct? So you all are studying ninth class. I will not give any question answer or one mark exercise, anything I will not give. You have to learn everything. Okay, you have to learn everything by yourself and you have to write what are things I am telling in your fair copy. Because for you, okay, 50 marks practical you are having 50 marks, okay. So this 50 marks how I will give based on your homework, okay, how you are doing the homework, okay, and assignments, projects. This project and this project assignment I will give when you are coming to the school, okay. And thing is what, in up to 8th class you studied only each lesson backside exercise, question answer, one word, this all things you learned. But in ninth class you have to study everything, okay. You have to study everything, not lesson back, okay. Each lesson inside you have to study, you have to study all. That is the reason I didn't give you the uh, any one word answers or questions and all, okay. You have to study everything and you have to learn, okay. You have to understand the concept. If you have any doubt, whatever I will update a recap video. In that recap video you can watch, else soon live class will be started, that time we may see, okay. No need to panic. So here, input output means this both are the hardware components, okay. How we will give the input? With help of the hardware. Example, keyboard, mouse, touch pen, okay, touch screen. You may have a doubt, what is a touch screen? Touch screen is a input or output. If any question arise like that, okay, you should think always touch screen is a input device also, at the same way it is an output device also. Now let's see, we will see one by one hardware components. Input devices, okay. First is a keyboard, okay. First is a keyboard. Now my dear students, basic things you should know. This keyboard has 104 keys. Keyboard has 104 keys, okay. And there are two type of keyboard. And now we are using QWERTY key, okay. We are using QWERTY key. There are two type of keyboard. We are using maximum QWERTY type keyboard. And next is a mouse, scanner. These three are the input devices we are going to learn, okay. These three are the input devices. Now let's see deeply. First one is a keyboard, okay. If you see, my dear students, if you count the number, in this keyboard, okay, in this keyboard we are having 104 keys. Basic standard keyboard we are having 104. If any keyboard is smaller or huge, bigger size like Chinese model and all, you may get this 104 will be less or more than this also. But you have to remember always, this 104 keys are the basic, okay. And if you see this keyboard, okay, if you see this keyboard, what are the keys are there? Alphabet keys, number keys, navigation keys, control keys, function keys, correct. These are the types of keys available in a keyboard. First is a typing key. What is meant by typing key? So here, this all will come in a typing key. Alphabet, special symbols, arrow, this all will come in a typing keys. Special symbols means what? Symbols only. Next one, control key. Okay, next is a control key. Control key means what? This tab, caps, this all will come in a control key. This space bar, this all will come in what? Control key. This is a control key, and this is a typing key. This is a typing key. Now next one is a navigation key. Okay, navigation key means here we can able to see the arrow. This arrow we may say a navigation key, and this is a function key. Function key is a mostly when we are using a shortcut, we will use a double key, control plus A, control plus B. Like that we are using a alt plus F4. This all of the shortcuts we were using, correct? But this function keys, we no need to use any combined keys. Each key has some particular function. Okay, so this is a function key. Okay, this is a function key. And numeric key, this is a numeric key, numbers. This is a numeric key. Okay, these are the types of keys available in a keyboard. Okay, these are the types of keys available in a keyboard. Now next see the mouse. My dear students, no need to get confused of this mouse. Okay, here mouse, we are having three type of mouse. First one is a mechanical mouse. First we were having mechanical mouse. In this mechanical mouse there will be a ball. After this is the first they introduced. Okay, first they introduced this, and this one they introduced second. This one they introduced a second, and this one they introduced it in a third. Okay, so here there will be a ball plus sensor. Ball and sensor will be there. Here only light sensor will be there. Okay, these are the three varieties. Okay, these are the three varieties. Now let's see one by one. Now see here mechanical mouse. In our computer lab, if you noticed, some mouses are there, few mouses will be there which is having old. Here you can able to see the ball. Okay, this is a ball. So when we are keeping the mouse, when we are dragging, this ball will rotate. Okay, this ball will rotate. This ball will rotate. Now based on this rotate, okay, here you can able to see this place. You can able to see there are the wall. Okay, there is a wall. Actually what is happening here, just to see here this place, this is a ball. Just to imagine, okay, this is a ball. Now what is this? When we are keeping the mouse dragging, this ball will rotate. Okay, based on this ball rotating, here four side, four direction, wall will be there. This is a wall. Okay, here you can able to see this is a wall. This is what? Wall. So based on the rotation, okay, x axis, y axis, based on this rotation in our computer monitor, mouse will move. Okay, mouse movement will be there based on this ball rotation. This was the first type of mouse where we introduced. If you go 10 years back, only we are using maximum this type of mouse, not 10-15 years back. Okay, only this ball having. This mouse is called mechanical mouse. Second type, optical mouse. Okay, second type is a optical mouse. Now my dear students, this optical, okay, see. Now optomechanical, okay, this is another type of mouse. If you see what will be there, already you seen in mechanical mouse ball will be there. Here in this mouse also same ball will be there. This is a ball, This is the mouse downside. This ball is touching the what? Floor. Here there will be light sensor. Light sensor will be on the ball. Based on the ball rotation, sensor light it will recognize. Based on that, this is a mouse. Okay, based on that, in our computer screen, mouse movement will be there. Okay, in our computer screen, mouse movement will be there. Again I am saying, in mechanical mouse there will be just a ball and there will be a wall, four side wall will be there. But here in optomechanical mouse there will be a light sensor. Okay, this is a light sensor and this light sensor will be on the ball. So based on this ball rotation, the sensor will get recognized. Based on that ball movement in our monitor, mouse will change its direction. Okay, it will move. And the last type, this is a optomechanical. Nowadays everywhere we can able to see. Here this is a light sensor. This is what? Light sensor. Based on this sensor movement on the floor, okay, we can able to access. Based on this light sensor, our mouse cursor will move on the screen. Okay, it will move on the based on this movement we can able to see the mouse cursor movement on the screen. Okay, these are the three type of mouse, okay, available. Okay, mechanical, optical, optomechanical. In mechanical mouse there will be a ball. Optical mouse there will be a light sensor. Only sensor will be there. In an optical mouse, combination of mechanical, optical, we are having what? Optomechanical, which was developed in a second. Okay, now let's see keyboard. This is a keyboard. Standard we are having 104 keys, and there are two type of keyboard. One is a QWERTY key. Why we are telling QWERTY key? Because in a keyboard first letter QWERTY. Okay, and I am asking you one more question to you. It is your homework. Just you think. Okay, no need to write in a fair copy. No need to make any assignment. I am asking you only one doubt. Okay, only one question. Just you think. Try to identify the answer. Okay, try to identify the answer. Why in a keyboard keys are not in order? Here you can able to see Q, W, E, R, T, Y, U, I, O. Numbers are in order, but letters are C, A, S, D, F, G. Why these keys are not in order? This is your homework. Homework means no need to write in a fair copy. Just you search in the internet and try to identify the answer why keys are not in order. Okay, why keys are not in order? This is your homework. Okay, no need to write in a fair copy, no need to make assignment. Just this is for your brain activity. Just to find one simple exercise I am giving to you. Next in a video class I will tell why keys are not in order, but try to identify what are the reasons. Okay, what are the reasons? And again I am saying fair copy and any question answer 1 mark exercise I will not give anything, because you are having 50 marks practical. Okay, you are having 50 marks practical. This 50 marks how I will give? Based on your fair copy, based on your discipline, based on assignment, project I will give. Okay, so you have to mark answers by yourself, and you have to learn everything, all the chapters, not like previous year only lesson back exercise learning, question answer learning. It is not like that. You have to learn everything. Okay, you should not leave anything. Okay, thank you my dear students. Thanks for watching. Be safe and be healthy. Thank you.